Hello friends! In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to make a garland in the shape of a rainbow. I will give you the optimal sizes for making a garland. So let's get started. I use lilac and green balloons measuring 5 inches. Blue, yellow, pink balloons measuring 10 inches. You can use the color scheme as you wish. I inflate one 5-inch lilac balloon and calibrate it to 8 centimeters. I inflate the second 5-inch lilac balloon and calibrate it by 10 centimeters. I'm tying these balloons in pairs. I inflate a green 5 inches balloon and calibrate it to 12 centimeters. I inflate a blue 10 inches balloon and calibrate it to 14 centimeters. I'm tying a blue and a green balloons together. I inflate a yellow 10 inches balloon and calibrate it to 17 centimeters. I inflate a 10 inches pink balloon and calibrate it to 19 centimeters. I'm tying yellow and pink balloons together. So, I made 3 pairs of balloons, each of which has its own specific size. Each pair of such balloons needs to be made 30. That is, you'll have a total of 90 pairs of balloons. So now I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to tie these balloons together and turn them into a beautiful rainbow garland. To fix it, I use a balloon for modeling, size 260, the appropriate color. I tie the end of the balloon to the first pair. Then put one pair on top of the other crosswise. Please see how I do it. Balloons of a larger caliber are rotated in one direction. I put pairs of one on the other, not very tightly. Look, they do not fit both of them to the table, as if it were a single cluster. But at the same time, I tightly attach one pair to another and tie it with a stretched balloon for modeling. Now I put the pair crosswise again and tie it tightly with a balloon for modeling. And so I keep twisting all 30 pairs. Look, all the balloons of a smaller caliber on the one side, a larger caliber on the opposite side. A modeling balloon should always be properly stretched. Please look, the garland has already begun to bend beautifully. If you run out of a balloon for modeling, tie up a new one and continue making a garland. So, I made the middle part of the garland. I started making a garland with the middle part, because the balls are of different colors, and it will be clearer to you.
Well, now in the same way, I will make the first row of garland.
The first part of the garland is also ready, and now it remains to make the last, largest part of the rainbow garland. I tie the garland in the same way. Balloons of a larger caliber are directed in one direction. Do not forget that the balloon for modeling should always be properly stretched. The last row of the garland is ready. Please note that the shape of the rainbow will depend on the number of balloons in each row. Either it will be more rounded, or it will be less rounded. So now I'm going to show you a simple way how to fix a rainbow garland. Put the first and second rows of garlands together. Look, each lilac balloon is located between two green balloons of the next row. Now I take a balloon for modeling, cutting it into two parts and making a loop from each part. Please see how I fasten the ends of the two rows of garlands with an elastic band. Pay attention to the position of the lilac balloons. The lilac balloon is located between two green ones. Similarly, I fix the second end of the garland. Now I'm fixing two middle positions. Now I fix the central part, and usually this fixation is enough. But if necessary, you can strengthen the garland by fixing a few more parts. So, the final part, we will fix the largest part of the garland. The method of fixing an arrangement of balloons is similar to what I just showed you. Please take a look. So now I'm going to show you a very simple way to fix a garland on the wall. I'm fixing a sculpting balloon, size 260, with glue tape on the wall. I tie this balloon for modeling between the rows of garlands. On the one hand, I put the number 1, which will also serve as a support. And on the other hand, a cloud. The rainbow garland is ready Thank you for watching us.